Hey, I'm Anna.
And I'm Rebecca from 7 and All. And today we're going to be talking with our Norwex sales consultant, Aunt Sharon, about Envirocloth.
Your typical household cleaners may include some of these, but the Envirocloth can be used to replace many of these things that contain toxic and harmful chemicals.
So let me introduce you to two of our all-purpose cloths. This one is called the Envirocloth. It's E for everything, and all the cloths come with this label on the back. Also makes it handy for hanging up after you're done using it. This cloth is different than any other cloth because it uses microfiber. This microfiber is the width of a hair split 200 times. So that's 1/200th of a fiber of a hair, strand of hair. It also can stretch. If you pull this threading out, it would stretch from Mexico to Canada. That's how much fiber is in these cloths. And it's also specially infused with microsilver, and which prevents it's an antibacterial agent that will help prevent molding and mildewing in your cloths from smelling. So those are the three major things: that the size of the fiber, the density, and backlock that makes these so special. And they're guaranteed to work for 2 years, and you get a 60-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. And this other cloth is the window cloth. This is a polisher. To wash windows or surfaces, you clean with this, and then you polish and dry with this one. They do come in different colors. So now we're going to do a demonstration of cleaning this window. We're going to take out these screens, and we're going to use our handy dandy duster mitt. I've already wet it. You can wet these, and we're going to show you how to clean these screens, lickety split, and then we'll clean the window.
So now these mitts are only wet with water, right?
That's
You're
right.
not using any cleaners or
No
chemicals?
cleaner.
So now do you get the same amount of cleaning from using these compared to using cleaners that can kill germs and bacteria?
Absolutely. It picks up all the debris on the cloth. The microfiber actually lifts it up and takes it away.
Now, you said you use the Envirocloth and the window cloth to clean windows. How exactly does that work?
So we're going to take this Envirocloth and we're going to fold it in fours, because we want to have 4. This will make it so we have 8 cleaning sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have the inside. You do the same thing. So that gives us 8 cleaning sides. This will take the place of paper towel and your window cleaner. This will actually be our paper towel that we can reuse over and over again and not fill up the landfills and cut down our trees. So in order to demonstrate grease and grime, how this removes it, no Windex, no glass cleaner, I'm going to add some dirt to our windows. We've got butter to simulate grease and grime, okay? These are pretty dirty actually. So I'm going to just make a little heart because I want you guys to love Norwex. And we're going to smear it around like little kids and dogs do, leave their little fingerprints and handprints and face prints all over there.
Oh my.
So Anna, I'm going to have you clean that window.
Now we're going to use these wet Envirocloths and our window cloths to show you how you can get a really nice, clean, and streakless finish on this stainless steel refrigerator.
And no fingerprints.